Hello everybody, we are going to start this pattern by make some chains. We are going to make chain, and if we have extra we are going to cut. Let's start from here. What we have to do in this pattern, we start by make single crochet in each chain until the end of the row, like that, and I'll be back. Now I already made some single crochet. For this pattern we need to have multiple of 3 plus 2. We are going to chain 1, return the work, and start by increase and make 9 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now we are going to skip 2 loops, 1, 2, and the third one, insert my hook, then try to take all together, make 1 chain. Now it's time to make in these 2 loops the stitch we are going to make 1 double crochet on each. So this is the first one and this is the second. We repeat again by make 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. When it comes to pattern, I skip 2, 1, 2. In the third one, I insert my hook, and now knit all together. Make 1 chain. In these 2, we are going to make 1 double crochet, 1 in the second one, right. We repeat the pattern until the end of the row and I'll be back. Now I already finished the first row, and then the last one, just we are going to make 1 double crochet. The pattern should look like that. For next row we chain 1, return the work, and start by make 1 single crochet on the top of each, like that. Just here make sure skip that one and insert your hook here, then on the top of double crochet, and we keep continue until the end of the row. And if you want to change the color, this is the right side to change it. I'm going, and here on the last one I should insert my hook here and make 1 single crochet, like that. So now I'm going to change the yarn. And make one chain and return the work, and then start by increase. Again here I skip 2 stitch, insert my hook in the third one and try to take the yarn together like that. Now I'm going to make 2 double crochet in each. Insert my hook here, 1 and 2. Let's do it one more time. One, two, the third one, chain 1, you can use any kind of color you like. I already just make it in 2 color, but it's up to you. You can decide to make it in 4 or 3 different color. Let's do it again. And this pattern only has the repetition like that. Two rows with one color and 2 rows with another color. One more. I'm going to finish this row and I'll be back. I already finished the row. I'm going to chain 1, return the work and start to make single crochet here, skip that one, then 1 here, 2 here. Don't make this, you should start from that part by making single crochet. Again, make sure don't make here. This is, you have to make 3 of each. You consider this one as 1, skip that one, insert the hook here and make single crochet. Then it's time again to change the color. When it comes at the end of the row, make sure you take this one here and make 1 to have a nice edge. This is this, and then if you want to change the color, it's time. Change it by this, and then I start again by chain 1 and repeat the pattern. If you repeat for few more rows, you are going to have the pattern like this. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.